Don't be a victim when we cross-check and then we roll you up. Let's have the second one.
The second one, your worship, is Gonzaga Osisi. We have.
How old are you, Gonzaga Osisi, and what language do we use? Please speak up. How old are you? What work do you do? Where do you stay? How do you raise the accused person you are standing for? Your phone contact number?
Is 0 sometimes 0 sometimes 0 and
I think the last one for Kato was we are done with 7 years.
Worship, I have Nalukoola Elizabeth. Nalukoola Elizabeth. Rondo.
Elizabeth, how old are you and which language should we use? Let's be fast. We have so many people to attend. What work do you do? And where do you reside? How do you rate the accused? Your phone contact number? And the second one?
Second one, your worship, is Mr. Frank Murondo.
How old are you, Rondo? What work do you do? Having big books. So where do you stay? I mean, it's good one.
Kola buli mwekyefulirabiko
just by coincidence that I gave
President
of where?